Hey everyone, for today we're going to be making BLT dip. So the first thing we're going to do is turn our heat on to medium-high, and then we're going to add our chopped bacon right to the pan. For your bacon, you're just going to want to chop it up into rough, small chops. Leave that in the meantime, and we're going to start with the base for our dip. So for the dip, we're going to go in with about half a container of sour cream, with about half a cup of Miracle Whip. You basically want equal parts of the sour cream, the Miracle Whip, and then our cream cheese, which I'm going to use the whole brick for this. Make sure your cream cheese is at room temperature. Once you have all your ingredients in, using your handheld mixer, we're going to mix it all together. So we're going to mix this all together, and then if it's still lumpy, you basically just want to let that to the side for room temperature for a little bit longer, and then we'll remix it with the hand mixer later. But in the meantime, we're going to go back to our bacon, stir it up. Just make sure to constantly stir this every few minutes because you're going to want this to cook evenly and get a good amount of browning on all sides. For our meal today, we're going to be meal prepping, so I'm going to show you how to lay out all your stuff and get things ready in the meantime while other stuff is cooking. Get out your containers, and then we're going to put our Cristinis, which you can either cut up French bread and toast it, or you can buy dry Cristinis like the Scotties, which is what I'm going to be using today. Back over to our bacon, we're just going to mix that up again. We're going to mix up this bacon again. We want it to be nice and crispy, so we're going to really make sure we render out all of that fat. Okay, so now that your bacon is starting to get nice and crispy, we'll turn off the stove, and we'll return to our mixture that we have over here. And we're going to add our bacon to it. We're going to add about 3/4 of our bacon to it. Make sure not to get any of that excess oil in there. I already drained it a lot, but if you have any left over, make sure to avoid getting it in there. Mix that all together. And portion a bit of the mixture into each one of the containers. Garnish it with lettuce, tomatoes, a little bit of parsley, and then some of the remaining bacon lastly. And that completes your BLT dip. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick video, and see you guys next time. Bye!